Hello everyone. We are now in May, and in May it's my birthday, so we are going to be creating May birthday nails. I decided to do gel because I wanted them to last a little bit longer, be a little special. I actually haven't done gel polish in a long time, but I wanted to talk to you about it and work through it with you. I'm going to preface this by saying that I am not in any means a professional. I am not a nail technician. So all this is just how I do my own nails. I have already shaped my nails how I want them to be, so I'm just going to jump straight right into what I'm going to be doing. We're going to use a buffer. This buffer is going to create a textured surface of the nails so that the gel polish will stick onto it. Then we're going to use the nail prep, and this is going to saturate our nail to prime it, sanitize it, make sure all oils are removed. If you don't have this prep, you can do rubbing alcohol as well. Next thing we're going to do is apply our base coat and then cure it. It does take longer to do your own gel nails because you have to cure it, and typically in a nail salon you can cure it a lot faster and the nail technician will work on your other nails, whereas when you do it yourself you can't really do that. And then I do my thumb separately because it doesn't all fit together. I'm going to be working with Gelish Minis, and this is Plumette with Excitement. This is from the Beauty and the Beast collection that they did. Gel polish is different because it does decide to run a little bit more than normal, so it is a little more complicated. I know we might not want a 3-coat formula, but it might have to be done. On the ring finger here, I am going to create strawberries and also some of the white flowers. Now to draw the strawberry, I will be using the Gelish Mini Petal for Your Thoughts, and I'm going to create it using this brush here. A strawberry kind of looks like a little triangular kind of shape. Sunday Studio number 30, and we are going to paint a little bit of green. We're going to be using this Sephora by OPI Gel Shine in White Hot, and we're going to add these white strawberry blossoms. EXPRESSIE. This is in Busy Beeline, and we are going to add this to the center of the flowers. take the Red Carpet Manicure Brilliance and I'm going to add this to all my other nails. Now let's cover up that strawberry. We're gonna let this cure for 2 minutes. The next thing you're gonna wanna do after curing them, you're going to want to take some alcohol. This is just to remove the tackiness that you'll find on your nails. And that is one hand. I decided to go with a big strawberry on my right hand because my left hand would have been difficult to draw these little tiny ones, so I figured I would do the less difficult way and just add one large strawberry on there. But I do like how this one looks a lot better with the little strawberries. I hope you enjoyed this video and doing my nails for my birthday month. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these gel polishes before or used the Red Carpet Manicure. If your birthday's in May, happy birthday, and I will see you in a later video. Bye!